Hello, hello, Hill Code Nation. Good to see you. Good to see you today, Tuesday, May the 21st. And look how exciting. We're out here at Lake Cormorant, Mississippi. And if anybody's ever seen, this is what you call a septic tank. And everybody's heard of them. Probably don't know what one looks like. But that is a septic tank going down in its final resting place. This is how far we are from our property. We got gas going in down there. We got painters, plumbers. We got all kinds of work going on out here. It is exciting. It always feels like the first time every time one of these goes in. But here you go. Down about 10 feet. Slowly but surely, there she goes. They call it a vault. A lot of dead poop's gonna sit in there and sleep for a while. Anyways, there you go. Everybody knows what one looks like now. Love y'all. Catch you on the next one.